Repayment history is now a crucial factor in determining what appears on your credit report. As I sit here today, July 2023, we have now lived through 12 months of financial hardship information appearing clearly on your credit report. Paying on time has never been so important as it is in the current environment. Unless there's a clear error on the part of the lender, these entries cannot be removed. If you have any doubt as to what is on your client's credit report, please don't hesitate to connect with the team here at Credit Fix Solutions. The best way is obtain a copy of the credit report and send it through to sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. Our team will review it and provide you with clear direction on the next steps. Bye for now.